Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing and press that like button and get it moving. Yes, people, today is a different episode. Today is to raise awareness. You know, if you know this channel, then you know it is based around Jamaican culture, about Jamaican cooking, Jamaican lifestyle, and myself, Jamaican music. Do you know what I'm saying? So especially this channel has gained a lot from Jamaican culture. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's only right for us to pay back as much as we possibly can when needed. Now, if you don't know already, Jamaica was hit by a hurricane, Hurricane Melissa, and it's devastated the west part of Jamaica.
Right now, Jamaica is a disaster. Yeah, Jamaica is a disaster right now. So we just have to pray up for the best and the good. Help each one who can help, and that's it.
So basically, if you look at Jamaica like this, it's basically hit from the west. So obviously, you're seeing things a different way. So basically, it's hitting from the west. So this whole side here has been really badly damaged. I'm going to show some videos throughout the episode so you can see the severity of what's going on out there. You get me, people? So what we've done, there's a lot of foundations, there's a lot of people helping out, there's a lot of aids going on. But for myself personally, I just feel like that I really needed to be hands-on in helping and really, like, it's all good sitting down in the UK and for me to, you know, be setting up things to get sent over and this and that and raising money, but I need to be there. You get me? So what I've done is I've also set up a foundation. So I'm going to put the link below. So the PayPal link below is to the foundation for the YGP One Camp Foundation. It goes straight to Kingston, Jamaica, where we'll be buying all the supplies and everything that we'll be sending out to Jamaica. Again, I'm going to show some videos throughout the episode just so you know. This isn't for views, this isn't for clout, this is so you just understand awareness of what is actually going on out there. So like I said, the link is below. Please do whatever you can. If it's £1, if it's 50p, if it's £2, anything you can possibly do to help would be really appreciated. On top of that, I will be going to Jamaica. Next week, I'll be going to Jamaica to my feet on the ground, and we will collect all the funds together, buy a load of stock in water, food supplies, you know, nails, wood, whatever people need the most. Obviously, we do research in what people need the most before we go, and we're just going to be driving out to the worst affected areas and just giving out as much as we possibly can, and then getting involved in any way we possibly can, whether that is help building, help putting things together, help clean up, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Again, people, I will be showing videos throughout this just for awareness, so you know what is going on in Jamaica right now.
I'm pleading to the public or anyone that sees this video, please, if you can get this to the necessary authorities to assist persons that are in Westmoreland. Remember, I know that persons in St. Elizabeth are affected, but the main focus cannot be there. Persons need to divert to other parishes as well for assistance, because there are persons that are homeless like myself, right, that is dying and in need of some assistance. At this present time, I'm currently on the road trying to get some service so I can communicate with the outside world. So if you can share this video, and anyone that you share it to, please ask them to share just the same. We're in need of assistance immediately.
So yeah, like I say, we've set up the YGP Camp Foundation. It's set up by me, Jabari, and ZIS, Danny, and all the boys down there at Love Lane as well. And basically, we set it up with a PayPal link for Jabari's PayPal link because he's there in Jamaica. So might just everything goes there. And when I get there next week, we will just take everything out, go and buy as much as we can, and then go and do whatever we can. You know what I'm saying? Some more footage from what's going on out there.
People, me I beg on you, please, people, me I beg on you, please. Like literally, me don't want to go up on my knee, but me I beg on you, people, please, me I beg on you. Nathan Canberra, where you want to name me, I call you out, boss. Be something left all the people that need help up here, more. You look, see it there? People them blow them, people don't know if we live, brother. However, have some chop all in the people that need it. The little kids don't know water, thirst, kill them, brother. Brother, when you come to my father, man, you know fly copter over people every minute, and imagine you know fly copter over people, man, them not no food to eat. How if you do them things, my father? See the whole place. I must see about 20 somebody cuts in another place at night time. The concrete, the one concrete that's up right now. See the whole place mash up people. See that place and if you don't have people stand up at night time. Everybody stand up. Nobody can lie down. And someone lie down in a good bed and anything, the bed and come. And you can't do something there. And I just me left and center and come down here. And if me can't reach down here, soldier can't reach down here too. Me come.
But yeah, I can't believe it, people, man. It's so devastating. It's so heartbreaking. Like little places like in Jamaica, like they're gone. Like there's little spots that like you'd stop certain little places to like get a food, and there was always someone there that always cooks certain food there or something. Like little spots, like they're just completely wiped out, completely gone. So it's gonna take so much to rebuild Jamaica to what it was before. So like I say, wherever you can do and however you help, it will be appreciated, you know, like every little thing will help, because, you know, you've got everyone else doing what they're doing, you know, us over here, we do what we're doing, everybody else, their input, you know, one man can't build an island alone. So the more people that help, the quicker it gets done and the faster it can rebuild Jamaica and make it the beautiful place that it was before.
Well guys, you would have seen this on social media. So this was the house that the firemen were taking persons out. Oh my gosh. You'd have to see this in person for you to see the magnitude. So this is one house, see, fully underwater. And there's another house around there that's underwater also. Jesus. And then persons are actually here. Yeah? A lot of persons here just looking, because this could have been worse.
Yeah, before you reach there,
But yeah, like I say, I will be there. I don't know what kind of videos I'll be doing out there. I'll probably just stick to the cooking videos out there, because I don't really want to. I don't want to be filming people's, you know, downfalls. I don't want to do that. But I'll keep you updated. Obviously, whoever's you know, donated, let me know in the comments if you do, and we keep you updated on what's going on, and maybe take some. We cover it, but we just won't do full episodes about it. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, so which other house I move from? Over there, see house there. I saw a 9.5 in a gully youth. Harris Crown dog, blood clot, the mouth that car wash your youth. Boost turn over everything. The amount that car wash your youth. See all the extra flood right out. Yo, we need help. How many people them there with the help people? Oh, we don't see people that want to help people pass through it. Watch our whole place flat, you.
But yeah, we need to raise as much awareness as possible. So please share this video wherever you can. Remember, we got new music out right now. It's called My Type.
Amiga girl anywhere me go, but this one girl make me lose control. It's like the pussy take away my soul, and I just keep on wanting more and more. You're just my type.
Yes, you can stream that, download it, use the sound on TikTok, all that stuff. You get me? Working on new music right now. Actually, as I'm recording this, I'm going to the studio tomorrow to record some new music. I hope you enjoyed the previous Australia episodes. That was really cool, man. If you ain't seen them, go and check them out. And if you haven't subscribed, do the right thing. Press that like button. Get the video moving. Please help in any way you can. The link will be below to donate. And yeah, let's all come together and help rebuild Jamaica. Let's go.